Hi YouTubers, so this is my portable setup that I have. I have an AirPad 2 iPad with the Korg Nano Control 2, and that's for all of my mixing, which is great because I can literally just click on the play button and it'll start playing. And the reason why it does that is because of the official Apple connection camera kit, which is here. Let me just turn it down just a little bit. And you can also plug in power into this as well via the lightning connector here, which helps bring more power into any external devices that you may need. But to be perfectly honest, it's not always important. And literally, I've also got a Bluetooth controller here, which is the Nanokey Studio, also by Korg. I mean, this is a fantastic instrument, to be fair. It's very responsive. You also got different controls. If I turn that up just a little bit. I don't have monitors. I generally use my earphones or my headphones, depending on the mood that I'm in. But yeah, it saves a lot of touching the screen now by having this setup, which is great. So thank you for watching. Hope you like it.